Hello, you of the tube. So a strange light this morning, 5:45, and it wasn't a plane or a helicopter or Venus or a star. It kept perfectly still. It seemed to be rotating to the naked eye, which you can't see very well in this, if at all. It changed colour, went from white to grey, turquoise, orange. No noise. Could have been a drone. There was no noise. Not sure of the distance because it's pitch black. It's above rooftop height. Totally silent. And then it fades out. So it's kind of odd. I've put some stills at the end of the video so you can see the colour changes. But obviously you can just hit pause at any time you like. Hit print screen on your keyboard. And at this point the light comes on. My neighbour's security light. Probably a cat. And you can see my shed at the end of the garden there.